this is example I took from the FileMaker's knowledge base about how to pick a random set of records of the database. And there was a script sample, so I looked at it and thought, well, could it be optimized to run faster? So I tried to implement that script in a test solution, and it was pretty fast. It picked up the random set of records in like less than 1 second, but I was choosing from about 1,000 records. So I was wondering how it might work with a large number of records. So I imported 50,000 of records from random data generator and tried the FileMaker technique and to select 10 random records from the set. So I'll show you now. And the reason I was wanting to optimize it was that I saw the replace field contents in the sample script in FileMaker knowledge base. So I saw the opportunity to get some new marvelous optimization. And as you can see, this is the first the first try of the script. So nothing is cached in the file, and it took 21 seconds here. Let me now close the file so that it hopefully clears the cache. And I'll open it again and try the optimize technique. And you'll see the result. Well, this seems marvelous again, but when I put a large number here, it like 20,000 records, it will not be so nice, because actually my technique will become slower than the FileMaker's technique. The reason is that what I'm using in the script, well, let's start with the FileMaker's one. FileMaker shows all the records, replaces contents of one field in all the records with a random number, then sorts the records by that number, and then uses omit multiple to omit the requested number of records, and then show omitted only to inverse the found set. The biggest drawback here is the replace field contents and the sort records, because both these operations are touching all the records in the whole database. As you can see it here again, you can see that the replace actually took 19 seconds here and almost 2 seconds to sort the records. The omit was quite fast, it was like 17 milliseconds here. So that was the FileMaker's technique, and the technique I used is not dependent on the number of records in the database, but on the number of records in the requested found set. I do multiple steps here for each record in the that should be in the requested found set. So what I do is that I go to a random record using the go to record script step, where I use calculation to select the random record, omit that record. I also use the random field here and sort the records at the end. But if I don't need random sort order, I can omit these steps and just select those records. And I do this as many times as how many records I need. The problem is that this one loop takes a little bit longer than how long time it takes FileMaker to do replace in one record. So if I select large number of records, you can see that one loop here has something about between like 5 and 20 milliseconds. Since 19 seconds is time that FileMaker needs to replace field contents in 50,000 records, it's much less. So that's why my technique gets slower when you want to select a large number of records. But as one of my blog readers commented, then it comes to asking a question: how do you define a random set of records? You probably never need to select random 5,000 records out of 6,000. Usually, when you want to select random number of records, you want to select much smaller found set, and then this technique is much faster than any other.